on the actual trail. Oh, look at that sweet climb. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one.
Brought to you in part by Epic Adventure Outfitters.
Good morning, guys. It is early morning here at the Dirty and Dangerous house where myself and Mr. Casey250 are staying up in the Kootenays for the week. We're getting ready to go out on an adventure today. We're meeting up with the Epic boys and we're gonna head out into some mountains, find some bowls, find some glaciers, maybe find some stuff.
Jeep
as
mods?
usual.
Got some more Jeep mods?
Casey's taking out the trash.
Yeah, come here.
Morning, sir.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Morning, Christian.
Morning. I've been wrenching since like 6 this morning trying to get my truck going, but I just barely.
So
I
you
had
brought
one more
the
snag.
Corolla?
Oh yeah.
The lifted Corolla. I'd rather be wheeling.
Yeah, no, this is a daily driver.
Yeah. So we just met up with Clint from Dirt Garage. He doesn't have his truck with him, unfortunately, because it's a little broken down. So he's going to jump in with one of us and just hang out for the day, which is sweet.
Yeah, hopefully I can get it together for the end of the week here, so we can at least get a couple of days out. But
Yep.
this other way, there's more obstacles and stuff, but it's a little bit more of a way around. You said you need to be home for dinner. This can easily do.
More obstacles. Let's
More
go.
obstacles? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that then.
All right, guys, we just got to the trailhead. We are going to head up to a mine today. We're going to see all sorts of cool stuff, probably. Rocking the Sorry Till Now t-shirt. Available at dirtyanddangerous.com. There's only a few left. We got 2 Gladiators with us today. Sorry to ruin your shot there, Casey. We got the EcoDiesels.
We're here to go get fuel for you guys.
There's still a lot of smoke in the air. We were hoping it would clear up for today, but there's a lot of fires burning down the west coast, so we're just gonna have to make the best of it. Apparently you can see the Rocky Mountains from everywhere around here normally, but today we're probably not gonna be seeing much of that. Should make for an interesting day though.
Look over that big pothole in the dust.
Yeah, it seems like the dust is getting a little bit better as we go up.
It's better, way better up here. I can just stop with the fork. Hey, look, a fork! I can either stop and wait, or we can keep spaced out for dust.
Keep it spaced out.
It's getting better up here just a little bit. Trying to drive on the center line.
So we headed into the Rocky Mountains, down a dusty road into the smoky air, going mine hunting. Sounds like a great adventure, doesn't it?
Now we're having fun. Woo!
Gotta love ATV trails. And now we're on the actual trail. Oh, look at that sweet climb. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one.
Really tight at the top.
try turning the other way in the background.
I think we should hook to a tree.
Well, can, but... Stop right there. Stop. Turn that way. Fasten it. Let's see if we can get any movement that way. So go forward.
Trying.
Yeah,
I stalled the diesel.
Stalled the diesel? How's that possible?
What are you doing? So, this is a pretty steep hill here. Kristen's done a couple runs at it, and we're not getting up right now, so we're just discussing the strategy.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
I think your grumper was too heavy.
That's what it was. Yeah.
This entire area was full of giant boulders with trees still growing out of them. It was a pretty amazing landscape.
All right, we just stopped at this cool little boulder field for a lunch break, and now we're gonna head onward to try and get to this mine that we're headed for. It's been a fun little trail so far.
As we headed deeper into the trail, it started to become less discernible, and much of the ground was loose rock.
You're gonna roll like a foot and a half, and then you gotta start cranking.
You know where the hole is?
Yeah, you can see it. It's sliced on the side, over on the right, where it's all like kind of clean.
Nice little slice.
Welcome to the Rockies. Oh no!
Straight.
Woohoo! Good. Yep. Yeah, crank it hard, as hard as you can now. Yep, you're good. Straight. Straight. Okay.
Feels like we're just going down the side of a mountain without a trail. Yeah, this place is great.
Yeah, these are old, eh? They've got a lot of dry rot in here.
Just a slightly sketchy bridge. you know,
Not bad.
not bad.
Paul really wanted to pull out the max tracks to cross this sketchy bridge, but we decided to just give it a go and take our chances. It looked fairly solid.
Mine shaft.
What?
And a cabin.
Crazy. All right.
I see it.
We found a mine shaft. Or a cave or something.
I will mark your grave. Holy crap.
A glow stick or something.
Yeah, to toss down there.
See right down it.
Whoa. That's crazy.
Well, it goes down quite a way, so.
Holy no.
Oh.
Here, Clint, I have even a better flashlight.
Huh?
I have a better flashlight.
That was cool. Random mine shaft found just by chance. In this old cabin. It's super cool. What a view!
It's a crazy view.
Getting up higher in elevation, I couldn't help but wonder how amazing the views would be from this road if we weren't still surrounded by forest fire smoke. However, these are still the kind of roads I love to drive.
Sorry, I'm laughing, dude. That was the good one.
Doesn't sound good at all. Drop my camera here.
Got the mine shaft. Waterfall, which is, oh, there's like barely any water in there, you know?
Remains of an old mine littered the mountainside here. Lots of old equipment and artifacts remain. Many of the old mine shafts are still open as well.
Hey, man. Yeah, look how beautiful the water is here.
Check that. Look how clear it is. Isn't that nuts?
Is that water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't even tell that there's water
I know,
there.
it's nuts. Watch.
Whoa. That's nuts. This is a really cool one.
It's just a rock. It's probably not an intersection. Boots, like it's only maybe 1.5 feet deep.
Yeah.
Be
That's what
worth
it looks
going
like.
for a walk if we had boots.
Yeah, just to get into the back where the waterfall is.
Guys, we're in a mine shaft right now. This is crazy. The water in here is so clear, you can't even tell it's there. I almost would have walked in it.
Yeah.
I wonder if Clint likes mine shafts.
Yeah, I love this stuff.
All right.
Watch, this goes down. Yeah, it does. Yeah, the walls in this cave are super cool.
Going in. Jesus. This is a good idea?
Yeah, it ends right here. Looks like there's a bit of a collapse here, but
Oh, okay.
it might have went further down. No, this one just ends here.
Can you shine the light here so I can see the ground? Yeah.
Yeah, normally there's a lot more moisture in this cave. They look really cool. Looks like granite or something.
Yeah.
In a drum full of these, and these would be normally quite a bit bigger.
Yeah.
It's just over time they've been worn away, and so that was what pulverizes when they finally get to the last stage. That's what pulverizes it, and from there they can separate the gold or the silver or whatever they want. But there would have been two massive drums here, and that would have been fueled by the Pelton wheel, which is probably fueled from the creek, right?
Yeah.
You'd spin it and do that. But yeah, so that's kind of two halves of one of the crusher balls, and there'd be a whole bunch of those inside. A big drum just beating up rock over and over and over again like a washing machine. Yeah, it's pretty cool to find these.
Back up, Paul. We got a hook to you.
With one tire off the side of this shelf road.
Yeah.
Quick recovery, no problem. Now I just got to get around the same corner without driving off the edge as well.
Sean's back there taking his time. While we wait for Sean to get up here, make sure you check out their merch at dirtyanddangerous.com. Pick yourself up one of these shirts. Oh, he's finally moving.
Thanks for that plug, Clint. Make sure you guys subscribe to Dirt Garage.
And we got about 500 meters to the bowl.
So after a day of really fun exploration, we found ourselves in an epic bowl.
Well guys, made it up to this bowl, top of this mountain. Look at that view. If it wasn't for all the smoke, well, even with the smoke, this is pretty epic.
Oh man. Yeah, this is fantastic, eh?
Take it, but
It's just the scale of this.
Can you imagine the fenders making sure.
Yeah, that's Bill Nye Peak, named after the scientist. Clint said so.
Thanks, Clint.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Bill Nye the Science Guy, man, this is his bowl. Who knows what's happened here? You have no idea what's happened here.
All right, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this adventure. That's going to be it for today. We're headed back to the Dirty and Dangerous house. We're going to head back there, have some dinner. I'll leave you with some epic drone footage. Check this out and make sure you guys are subscribed, guys. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Personal goal of mine. Appreciate all the support. Help me out, hit subscribe, share the video. Love you guys.